Hi, everybody. Dr. Sue here. Welcome back to my channel on how to cope with estrangement, alienation, and high conflict divorces. I think it's important we talk today about the cycle of estrangement and alienation so you can have a better understanding of how this cycle works and how it interferes with you connecting or reconnecting with your children whom you may not be speaking to. So, when the cycle of estrangement and alienation begins, it usually follows a high conflict divorce. Many parents oftentimes go into a panic and fear state of never seeing their children again. This is completely normal reaction. And maybe you watching this right now have gone through this already, or you're currently going through it. However, what begins to happen is that you become so preoccupied with fixing things that you are not emotionally present for your children as you can be. And most likely, you are functioning in a survival mode. This is not your fault. And we're not talking about blame here. You are experiencing a terrible trauma. However, unfortunately, your children do not understand that you're going through this trauma or have empathy for your struggles because they are struggling themselves too. And they don't understand why you are not present for them. During that time when they were struggling, they needed your calm presence, centerness, and compassion to move through their pain of the situation that they were going through as well. So I want to encourage you, don't get mad at your children, please, when they say to you, you didn't put me first. You couldn't have put them first because you were trying to survive your own trauma of the difficult family situation. Now, instead of becoming mad at them for this or frustrated, I want you to imagine them and how they felt during this time in their life and the panic that they were feeling. Step into their shoes and give them the understanding and compassion that they need from you now that they didn't get when you were in your panic state. It can make all the difference in reconnecting with them now.